Hello everyone and welcome back to my online class. We are going to study maths together. In maths, we are going to continue with geometry today. This is the second class for it. Let us look at the things that you will need for this class. The things are a scale or a ruler, a pencil, and this time you will also need a protractor. Once these things are ready, you can start writing the objective in your notebook. You can pause this video to write this down. Let's come back. The objective says we will be able to identify the different parts and types of angles. Let us start the class now. Let us see the types of angles. The first type is the right angle. A right angle is going to look like this. If you use the protractor and keep the center of it over here, you will be able to measure it and find out that the total will be 90 degree. This is going to be your right angle. The next one is an obtuse angle, which is going to be more than 90 degree. If you see the protractor, you will be able to see it. Next one is an acute angle, which is going to be an angle less than 90 degree. In this way, you can find out which angle is a right angle, obtuse or acute. Let us look at the protractor and try to see the measures. You could see the first angle 90 over here. Then you could see the obtuse angle which said that it is more than 90. Look at the inner circle, the numbers which are in the inside part. These numbers we are going to see to measure these angles. An obtuse angle is more than 90, but it is going to be less than 180. All of these angles are going to be an obtuse angle. Next one was an acute angle which said that it is going to be less than 90. So you can see the numbers on the inside from 0 to 90. All of these angles are going to be acute angle. Let us go ahead and now let us see some images in real life where we can guess the angle. The first image is on the screen. You can pause this video if you want to guess which angle this will be. As you might have guessed, the angle is going to be an obtuse angle because it's not right in the center, right, not having 90 degree, but it seems like having more than it. So it's going to be an obtuse angle. The next picture is on the screen and you can guess this one. I hope you might have guessed it. It's going to be an acute angle. As you can see, it feels like it's closer towards 0. So it's going to be a acute angle. It is less than 90 degrees. Another angle can be guessed now with this picture of a laptop. You can see it's exactly at the center of it, and you can guess this as it's going to be a right angle. Very good, children. Now let's go ahead. Let us see other types of angles now. The next one is a straight angle. A straight angle is going to look like this. It's going to be a complete semicircle. It's going to be 180 degrees. Next one is a reflex angle, which is going to be more than 180, but it's going to be less than 360. 360 is going to be the full circle. Let us now try to guess these angles. You can now see a picture on the screen. As we can guess easily, it's going to be a straight angle. A straight angle is always 180 degrees. The next picture on the screen is going to show you 4 different images. All of these are representing the same angle. The angle is going to be a reflex angle. As we can see, it's more than 180 but less than the complete circle, less than 360. Now let us look at the last two types of angles. A complete angle. It's going to be a complete circle, a complete one, and it's going to measure as 360 degrees. The next one is going to be a zero angle, which is going to be right at the center of this side. So it's going to be 0. Now let us try to guess these angles. You can see a picture on the screen. You can see the CD, and as we can guess it, it's going to be a complete angle. The complete angle is 360 degrees. The next one, as you can see, the laptop has come back and this time it is closed. Since it is closed, it's right at 0 level. That's why it's going to be a 0 angle. Let's go ahead and let us now recap all of the angles that we just saw. Let us try to think and watch each and every angle and think what it will be. Let's now guess it together. The first one is going to be an acute angle. The second one is a right angle. Third one is an obtuse angle. Fourth one, a straight angle. Fifth is the reflex angle. And the last one is the complete angle. This is how you can recap all of the angles together. Now, just to see them in words, you can see all of the angles and its measures. You can take some time to pause this video and try to read it for yourself. Let us now summarize what did we just learn. In simple words, all of the angles and its measures can be seen. A zero angle is going to be 0 degrees. Acute angle is going to be less than 90 degrees. A right angle is going to be 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is going to be more than 90, but it will be less than 180. A straight angle is going to be exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle is going to be more than 180 but less than 360. And the complete angle is going to be 360 degrees. This is how you will be able to identify each and every angle. Now, a question for you to identify by yourself. You can pause this video and try to identify it later. Let's come back. And now, at the end of the class, some questions for you to ask yourself. How was the experience? What did you learn? Do you have any doubts? Are you ready to solve more questions? And what can you do better? Thank you for learning.